Assalamu alaikum. Here is Kangaroo competition, mathematics 2019, problem number 14 for level 5 and 6. 5 equal squares are divided into smaller squares. Which square has the largest black area? Here we have the choices. Let's check them. The first one, we have here 2 black out of 4. We can simplify this fraction by making 1 over 2 will be half. The second one, 5 black, and the total is 9. The third, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 out of the total number is 16. If we need to simplify this fraction, it will be half. Choice number 4, we have here the number of the black is 13 black, and the total number of squares is 23. Here's the number of black small square, it's 18, and the total is 36. If we need to simplify, we divided 18 up and down, it will be half. Now the question asking me the largest black. Here we have 2 fractions. They are bigger than half. Because if you multiply 2 times 5, 10, greater than 9, so this is greater than half. 2 times 13 is 26, greater than 25, so this also greater than half. But which one of them which one of these 2 fractions is the greatest? If we need to compare between 2 fractions, simply we make a scissor. We will find this one is the greatest. So letter B is the great or the largest black area. Thank you.